So hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can boost up your internet performance in your Windows 10. Just doing two settings, you can change your internet performance drastically. At first, let me clarify you that we can only use 80% of our total bandwidth and rest 20% is used by our Windows operating system. At last, I will also give you an idea that how we can bring that 20% in our use. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started. So at first, go to the Windows. Okay, now search for control panel. Here we go. And just click on the network and internet. And here, click network and sharing center. Okay, now click on adapter setting. So where you connected? Or Ethernet or Wi-Fi? For example, I have connected with Wi-Fi, so I click on Wi-Fi. Now go to the properties. Here in property, click on this Internet Portal version 4. Okay. So you will see something like this. Now click on the use the following DNS servers and address, and in preferred DNS servers type H and 8. Okay. Now in alternate DNS server write 8, 4 and 4. Click on OK and done. The next setting is go to the start menu and go to the settings, and in settings go for updates and securities. Now in update and security go to delivery optimization. So in delivery optimization, this option allow downloads from other PCs generally runs. Turn off these settings and go to advanced option. Limit how much bandwidth you use to uploading updates from other PC to the internet. Monthly upload limits. Okay. If you face any problems, then you can simply put it into defaults. For the bonus tips, so how we can bring that 20% of bandwidth which is used by our Windows operating system. So for that, first go to the run. Okay, run. So in run, search for gpedit.msc. Click OK. Go for computer configuration, and computer configuration click on administrative templates, then click on network, and in network click on QoS packet scheduler. So in QoS packet scheduler click on this limit bandwidths. Okay, now just enable it, and when you enable it, you can see this percentage. This is the percent that our Windows operating system use. So simply write here 0 and go for apply. Click on OK. So now you use 100% of your total bandwidth in internet or anything you want. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.